Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful volatility index strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup, and then I will be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so the first thing we have to do here is to click on this F icon. So after clicking on the F icon, the next thing you have to do is to click on this main window plus icon, and then you search for your MACD. So these are the properties for the MACD. The fast EMA is 12, MACD. The fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9, applied to is low. Level, you leave it as it is. Time frame, you leave it as it is. Domain, you make it the color of your background, right? You make it the color of your background, which is black. The signal, you make it red, 3 pixel, right? The main, you make it color of your background 1 pixel. After that, you click on done. You are done with the MACD setup, right? So the next indicator we have here is moving average. All right, so you are going to be clicking on this indicator window 1 plus icon to add your moving average. The period is 1, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to its first indicator's data. The level, you leave it as it is. Time frame, you leave it as it is. The style, you make the color blue and you make it 3 pixel. After that, you click on done. That is all for the moving average. The next indicator we have here is relative strength index. You are still going to be clicking on this plus icon, and then you add the relative strength index, which we are going to be using for our levels. Okay, the period, you make it 1, apply to its close. The level, you set it to 85 and 15. The style, you make it color red and you make it 3 pixel. You click on done. The style for this one, you make it the color of your background. Make it the color of your background, and then you click on done. Then after adding the relative strength index, this level here will be added. This red line here will be added to your chart, indicating the levels for you. Okay, now the next indicator we have here is the bears power. All right, you are going to be clicking on this main window plus icon here, and then you search for the bears power. All right, so these are the properties for the bears power. The period is 13. Time frame, you leave it as it is. The style, you make it color red, 3 pixel. After that, you click on done. So once you have done everything correctly as I've explained, you are going to have a screen like this one here. All right, so before I explain the strategy, I want to also tell you guys about a VIP strategy which I'm giving out. Okay, a very powerful VIP strategy that you can use to grow as little as a $5 account. Okay, so if you are interested in getting this strategy, check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there to make sure you message me so that we can discuss on how you get the strategy. All right, so that is that for that. All right, so how does this particular strategy here now works? Okay, how does this particular strategy work? It's a very simple strategy to understand. First thing is that you want to wait for a spike. So once there's a spike in the market, you want to look for opportunities so that you can scalp the market. Okay, this is a scalping strategy. So now once there's a spike, you want to watch out for this blue and red indicator here. Once they get to the oversold level here, the overbought level, once they get to the overbought level, the next thing is that you want to see this blue here crossing below the red. Right, so once you see this blue line crossing below the red, that's the first condition. It means you should get ready. Right, now on the second indicator window, you want to see that the bears power, all right, showing you the strength of the bear has, all right, the bears power need to cross below this 0 level here. All right, once it starts facing down, immediately the first arrows and the first line here faces down. All right, once you have confirmed the crossing from this indicator with the blue crossing below it, you also need to confirm that the line for the bearish power start facing down. Immediately you see the facing down, immediately you start facing down, you should go in for your 5 candles, right? You go in for 5 candles and you exit the market. Okay, it's as simple as that. That's how the strategy work. Very simple strategy to understand. All right, so as you can see, you wait for this to cross and then you need to get a confirmation from the bearish power here. Once it crosses below this area, you go in for your 5 candles. So as you can see right here, the blue is now crossing below this area. All right, and one other thing is that you need to always shake the 15-minute time frame, all right, to observe the trend of the market from that area. So around this area now, you can see that the blue is above the red. Right, that is to show you that we are now in a buyer's market, so it's not safe for me now to take that entry on the 1-minute time frame. All right, so I won't go in because there is going to be spike at any time, which I don't like. All right, so before you start applying the strategy on the 1-minute time frame, you need to confirm from the 15-minute time frame first. You need to use the same method again, right? You want to see the blue crossing below the red on the 15-minute time frame. So once you see this crossing here, then you go to the 1-minute time frame and you wait for the same confirmation on the 1-minute time frame before taking any entry. All right, it's as simple as that. Okay, so that is it for the strategy. So if you want to use the strategy, make sure you backtest it very well first, okay, before you can go in live with your hard-earned money, right? Like I always said, don't take my word for it. Make sure you do the testing yourself before you can trade. All right, so that's pretty much everything I have for you guys into this video. All right, so if you are a new viewer coming across my video for the first time and you know you are getting value from it, do make sure you give it a like, okay? And if you haven't yet subscribed, do also make sure you subscribe so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you are going to be one of the people that will get it. All right, and one other thing is that you need to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop the strategy, immediately you get notified. All right, so that is it for today's video. I will be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Silver out.